NWO Report Special News Update.
So guys, I'm headed to the airport leaving LA, and I don't know if you guys have seen on the news about...
They are overhead right now. I haven't seen yet a water drop. Looks like they're just trying to make an assessment of what they have here and where they can deploy their resources. So what started out as a small brush fire here right off the 405 freeway, then on the eastern side has turned into a massive conflagration. Now our estimate across here is it is probably about a mile from north to south right now, with heavy brush that is currently burning, as you can see, in 3 distinct areas. Again, the wind is about out of the north, about 20 miles an hour, and it is burning towards the area that they're referring to as the Moraga Valley. That is the area where the Moraga runs across. Yes, ma'am. That's right. Right over here on the other side of the 405 freeway, that is the Getty Center over there. It does not look like it is in jeopardy at this time, but what is in jeopardy is all the properties on the other side of the 405 freeway. Remember, the Getty Center is on the west side of the 405 freeway, and this fire is burning on the east side of the 405 freeway. So for now, the Getty Center, the only attachment to this fire via the Getty Center is the fact that it is directly across the freeway. But as you can see, massive amount of fuel that is going up right now. Firefighters are staging off the 405 freeway and to the south, trying to get ahead of it a little bit. We just saw one of the fire helicopters overhead trying to take an assessment. He is trying to direct some of his resources where he feels that is needed. We've got to believe that the sun comes up, we're going to see a much different situation out here regarding how much of this has burned. Now, as you can see right there, we've got heavy brush that it goes all the way down to the 405 freeway, and that is just absolutely exploding into flame right there, as you can see. So it's a dramatic situation for those people who are on the 405. They have shut down the northbound lanes. They're trying to get some of the fire and police apparatus out ahead of the traffic right now. It's unclear where they're going to start taking traffic off. It looks like they've got a number of areas that they've blocked off traffic, and they've got some people kind of just waiting to be escorted off the freeway. It looks like Sepulveda itself is still open right now. People traveling north and south through that area, and it looks like, with the number of police officers that are pulling into the area right now, it looks like that may be shut down as well. Looks like they're trying to get in position. Yes, ma'am. Sorry about that. 5 was off just for a bit. Say again. All right, thank you, sir. Okay, 5's going to move over onto the east side of this thing. Do we know what this the street that is to the west? I'm sorry, to the east of this thing. Roscommare? Okay. Yeah, I think that's what they say. Yeah. I think that's well, 5's moving over here. We're on the east side there. We've got I think that's 4. Right up. Back into the fire.